Jim, I guess PPI really didn't come as too much of a surprise to people.
No, but I think that we're all kind of just saying, you know what, we're going to get an increase. We're getting some decent numbers. These numbers are a little too high, but just a question of when. What I like is the idea that when you all know it's coming, then it just doesn't hurt us. It's the surprise that's bad. Now, Janet Yellen did in 2015. Said everybody knows it, and then the commodity prices plummeted, and she, I don't want to say she got freaked out, but she realized that maybe we didn't need it. Jay wants to be absolutely sure, and I think Jay is not dumb. He's reading the Delta numbers. He's looking at the monoclonal antibodies that are being, this is what you get when you get sick. I mean, what are they doing in Louisiana? What are they doing in Texas? They're ordering the monoclonal antibodies.
Well, that's good because that'll keep them from getting sick.
Right, but I'm saying that
when you get the Delta variant, if you get in immediately and get infused with the monoclonal antibody you're talking about.
But you got to get tested quickly. It no longer matters if you get tested once a week. That doesn't
but
work.
what does that have to do with Janet Yellen?
She's going to China.
Okay.
No, I'm saying that when you move too fast on rate increases, it can really hurt the economy. Jay found that out during his rookie year. During his rookie year, he was swinging at everything, right? What did he go on, like Ellen, and said he was going to raise rates? That turned to be ill-informed. Ellen tends not to be the venue. I don't know. I mean, that would not be the best. Like going on the old days where like the Mike Douglas show. Hey, you know what? That should have taken him up. So, I mean, now he's much better. Just like he knew to go on the Today Show, and he absolutely called the bottom. Just on the bottom. He just said it. Listen, this is it. We're done with this. He's understood that the way you get this out is use these various minions, all right, that he likes, and now he's a seasoned pro. So he's basically said, look, when we're absolutely certain that Delta is not going to take over our country, we'll do what's necessary. But that, unfortunately, that absolutely certain is beginning to worry people. A lot of people feel that we're all going to burn out 1919 style. And then there's other people who say, well, listen, there's going to be another quick flash when kids go back to school, and then we'll see. I think that Jay's saying, why don't we wait to see? Let's wait a couple of months.
Although there's been a trio, really, of Fed officials in the past 24 hours who say we'd rather not wait. Daly's on the tape. Barkin saying we're closing in. And then Kaplan. Take a listen to Kaplan.
I'd rather take the foot off the accelerator soon and reduce the RPMs and as we're on more level terrain. And I think it will give us more flexibility down the road to have patience on the Fed funds rate. But what I don't want to do is keep running at this speed for too long, and then we're going to have to take more aggressive action down the road.
Reasonable. We want to hear that. I think Kaplan's been dead right on all this thing, other than the fact that RPM has been a very bad stock, and a lot of that's because of the higher price of plastics. Look, when I look at the situation, I hear all these guys say it. What that gives is the cover. I mean, when Jay says, listen, I've listened to everyone, and you know what? I'm going to have to taper a little. If it comes as a surprise to you, then I don't know where you've been. Where have you been, David, if you haven't heard this?
Living in a bunker somewhere.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, a bunker.
Yeah.
Yeah. With what kind of machine guns you have?
I don't know. I'm not that familiar with that.
I hope you have
But a
one
lot of canned goods.
What?
A lot of canned goods.
I think so.
Some of your favorite Spam products.
I like Spam. I like Hormel. I don't like Campbell's here.
You got the pumpkin Spam, didn't you?
Well,
am I recalling that properly?
Well, get ready for the pumpkin catapult that Lisa's setting up when it comes to October.
Soon enough, we'll be there.
Yes.
I know.
But look.
You get your pumpkin latte spice, whatever that's called.
Okay.
Drink.
In the bunker, what I mean is, you really, if you're a money manager or a hedge fund manager, it will not be shocked. The taper tantrum. Can we drop that? Let's just drop that from the vocabulary, David.
I haven't used it.